Welcome back to the channel, brothers. We have to speak. First, we will speak about the MACD, and second, we will speak about the big picture. So let us start with the MACD because it's getting very interesting. We see here a dead cross appear on the daily, right? A dead cross is obviously not a nice sign because it means we should see a massive drop in the market, right, after a dead cross. But let us go back in the past and watch what happened last time. For example, we saw it here in April 2023, we saw also that cross occurred. And what happened after that cross? You see Bitcoin had still a pump, right? Right now, let us quickly compare. So we had this dead cross, we saw the RSI was over 50 clearly, and we had a green and a red dot appearing, right? So let us right now watch. We have a dead cross happening. We are above 50, the RSI is above 50, and we have exactly a green and a red dot appearing. So according to the past and according to the similarity, it's not a guarantee, but technically it would mean we should see some more pump in the market, right? This is what I wanted to show you. It's not a guarantee, I just sharing with you. Also, before people start crying and shitting in my comments, also we see right now what is very nice. We see the dollar is dumping like you see it here. What I would like to see, I would like to see that we are breaking this white support line to the downside, because if we are breaking it to the downside, it means Bitcoin would run to the upside if the dollar is dumping, right? And you see we are retest once, twice, thrice, fourth and fifths. If we are retesting fifths, this would be very bullish because the probability is very likely that we see a breakthrough to the downside, because the more we are retesting the support, the more likely we are break it, right? So this is amazing. Now let us quickly watch the big picture. And right now, obviously here some not bullish but also not bearish things. We are watching the past, and what we saw in the past, we always retested the previous bull bottom. So we had here the bull market 2013 and created a bull bottom, right? You see it here. And always in the bear market, this was the bear market in 2014-15, we are retested the previous bull bottom. You see it here. We are retested. This was previous a very strong resistance, and it acted a very strong support, and right now, or it acted then as a massive resistance, and we saw we broke it through and we run into a bull market. If you're watching 2018, same. We had the bull market 2017-18. We created a bull bottom, and we are retested in the bear market here, in this big bear market. We are retested the bull bottom, which was again a resistance line. We managed to break it through, but then we had this COVID dump when we broke again and retested the bear bottom, right? And right now it's getting very interesting. Will we break it to the upside, and will we run into a bull run? What I don't think personally. I think we will, maybe we will see similarity to 2019, that we are breaking to the upside, but then we are retesting again the previous bottom. So what my theory is, that we could still break to the upside. Maybe we will see Bitcoin even to 45K going, but then we will retest the previous bottom, which will be at around 20K or even around 16, 17K to retest the previous bear bottom. So right now the bear bottom is 15,900 approximately, right? But this getting very interesting. Will we get rejected and immediately go see and Bitcoin around 17 or even 15K, or we will see breakthrough and run to into a bull market? What's very unlikely in my opinion, because we have a real estate crisis, we have the banking crisis in front of us, so I don't think it. Or will we see breakthrough and then retest of the previous bottom? This is getting very, very interesting. As I told you also in my yesterday's video, watch out for the total crypto market cap, because there's not much time left. It's maximum till end of July, so maximum 2-3 weeks left until it's getting tighter and tighter. It means the breakout to the upside or downside will be massive. So either we are breaking this resistance line at $1.1 trillion and see Bitcoin or the total crypto market cap running to $1.2 trillion, which means altcoin running, Bitcoin running to 35K, or will we see the support line breaking 1.14 trillion and we will see the total crypto market cap going down to $1 trillion, which would mean that Bitcoin will go down to 25k or even to 21k to close here our CME gap, which is here at around 21k. This is getting very interesting. Right now the crypto funding, the funding rates are nearly at zero. You see it here on Binance, OKX, DYDX, Bybit. They're nearly to zero, which is very nice, but I want to see them more. I want to see them negative, because in order to see a bounce, we should see a negative funding rate in order to see bullish bounce, right? The more positive they're getting, the more likely is that we see a dump to the downside. And here I want to show you quickly a tweet from Joe. Redbook retail sales fell for the first time since COVID. Consumers are taking on less credit thanks to tighter standards. Now they are spending less at retailers. This has marked the start of the last 3 recessions. The US consumer's back is breaking. Recession has begun. It's difficult to say. I mean, you see it here, right? The small red shit here. Like sometimes people shitting in front of my door if they are not taking the trades which I'm taking. So you see it here, this red dot. I mean, we saw it in the COVID crisis, but this was not a recession. It was a quick several months, and then we run into a bull market. And also here, 2006, 2007, we saw it. We've been not in a recession. We saw it 2008. Yes, but we have to see it. We have to see it. It's very interesting because on one hand we have the real estate commercial crisis in front of us. We have the banking crisis in front of us. Will we manage will US government manage this? That there will be a soft landing? I don't know. I don't expect. I think we will retest 21k or 20k or even 15k, but I still expect that we will break this resistance to 35 or even to 40k. Very clear in my opinion. Watch out. Tomorrow we will see very high volatility. July 12th, we see the CPI release. Right now the CPI is at 4%, forecast is 3.1%. If it's coming lower than the forecast, lower than 3.1%, we will see massive pump in the market. If it will be higher than the forecast, higher than 3.1%, we'll see massive dump in the market. This will be also the decision for the Fed meeting, which is in 2 weeks, the Fed meeting. And the probability is right now at 94% that they will even increase the interest rates by 5.25 or 5.5 base points. There's only 5.8% probability that it will decrease the interest rates. Watch out for this, bratans. And I still, in my RV long position, I want to show you also my RV long position, because I still bullish on all of this shit, right? I still think that we will see Bitcoin running to 35k, and right now I am also positive, 600, not COVID positive, but RV long positive, $690, $760 in RV profits, and I still expecting RV. We will see. In my opinion, this is still a no-brainer to go long on RV. Man, it's not a financial advice. Please stop crying around in your child room if you lose your money. It's your own fault. But look at this entry position. We are in this symmetrical triangle. It's getting tighter and tighter. In case we are breaking right now to the upside, we will see a run for sure to $100, in my opinion, 34%. Big psychology border, and the next price tag would be $160, 130%. In my opinion, risk reward, amazing. Stop loss I would set below $37. In my opinion, even right now, the risk reward is 2.38%. Amazing, brothers, and you can use Bybit money if you want $1,000. You get free long position. Just click the link and claim the bonus if you want. If not, bleibt Woche. Brothers, thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.